Hello, and welcome to Word Warehouse. Today, we're going to learn a group of irregular verbs that are incredibly easy to remember because they never change their spelling. There's just one important thing to remember. Although riːd is always spelled the same, it's pronounced differently in the past and the past participle. Let's get started. The pattern: read, read, read. Set, set, set. Cost, cost, cost. Cast, cast, cast. Burst, burst, burst. Spread, spread, spread. Split, split, split. Quit, quit, quit. Bet, bet, bet. The infinitive, the past simple, and the past participle all have exactly the same spelling. Now let's look at the meaning of each verb and some common examples. Read means to look at and understand written words. I read every night before going to bed. I read an interesting article yesterday. I've read that book 3 times. I've read all the Harry Potter books. Have you read this book before? Set means to put something in a particular place or position. I always set the table before dinner. She set the alarm for 6 a.m. I've already set everything up for the meeting. Set up means to prepare, arrange, or organize something so it is ready to use. I've set up the meeting room for tomorrow. Cost means to have a particular price. This jacket costs $80. The repairs cost more than we expected. The project has cost the company thousands of euros. Cast means to throw something or to choose an actor for a role. The fisherman cast his line into the river. The director cast her in the lead role. A lead role is the most important acting role in a film, play, or TV show. She's been cast as the main character in the new film. The main character is the most important person in a story. Burst means to break open suddenly. The balloon burst with a loud bang. One of the pipes burst during the winter. The water pipe has burst again. Spread means to cover a surface or to become known by many people. I spread butter on my toast every morning. She spread the map out on the table. The news has spread quickly. Split means to divide or separate into parts. Let's split the bill. She split the apple in half. We've split the work between us. Quit means to stop doing something or to leave a job or activity. She quit smoking last year. She quit her job to start her own business. I've never quit when things got difficult. Bet means to risk money or to be certain that something is true. I never bet on football matches. He bet $20 on his favorite team. I bet you'll enjoy this lesson. Before we finish, let's look at some common expressions with these verbs. These expressions are very common in everyday English and will help you sound more natural. Read through means to read something carefully from beginning to end. Please read through the contract before signing it. Set up means to prepare or arrange something. She set up her new phone in just a few minutes. We've set up the barbecue in the garden. Spread out means to open or arrange something over a larger area. They spread out the blueprints on the table. He spread out the photos on the table. Quit smoking means to stop smoking. My father quit smoking 5 years ago. Bet on means to risk money on the result of something. He bet on his favorite horse. Great job! You've just learned 9 irregular verbs that are very easy to remember because their spelling never changes. Just don't forget that riːd changes its pronunciation, even though it looks exactly the same. Keep practicing a little every day, and these verbs will soon become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.